It's probably our last chance, but today we're going to be putting in the bulbs for the tulips and the daffodils on some of the edges of the pond to kind of make a nice little display for spring. We'll see how this works. We're running out of time. Yeah. Not quite. Almost.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Well, the tulips are all in, and we also put in some hyacinths, the Gypsy Queen hyacinths. Now we wait till spring to see what actually grows and what doesn't. Hopefully it all grows. I put in some really old ones that were from the old house. They were pretty dry. I don't think they're going to come up, but I'm going to give them an opportunity. I don't want to just throw them in the garbage. So, there we go. One more project done.